Gotta wear gloves because the grips are wearing through to bare metal and I'm getting electrocuted while I drive. Not fun. Maybe this works. Okay, we are here with another video. This one has a hovercraft in it. It's gonna be great. There's a bunch of guys that have gone to the dirt bike track and they said they're gonna go play. And I'm like, I wanna play, but I don't have a dirt bike. I'll just bring my hovercraft. Okay, so we're gonna see if this thing jumps over dirt bike jumps, maybe. If it doesn't, there's also an airstrip there, so we can just go up and down an airstrip. But if it works to go over dirt bike jumps, yeah, we're gonna do it. What do you think we're made of? Also, if absolutely necessary, I have a helmet for safety. I'm at the point now where I've knocked my noggin so many times that if I do it again, I might be permanently disabled. Right now, I'm only partially disabled, so I don't want to join the permanent club. I don't know, but here we go. Let's do it. All right, we're here at the dirt bike track. The guys are rolling already, so unhook everything here, get that already fired up, and then they'll probably be tired and then ready to help me unload. Unless Turbo, do you want to help me unload? You're a dog. It's not gonna work. Time to go racing. Experimenting continues. It doesn't drive very good through grass, but we're gonna try. The weight stuff is all off, so we're gonna add more people and see if it works any better. Current update. I tried to get to the runway over here. You can see there's a windsock, but I'm stuck on a ridge. Like, it moves, but it won't go any further. There's a rock or something under there. this is the point where we start to get a little disheartened. RPMs are not getting high enough to get this thing off the ground fully anymore. It did work fine before. Not revving high enough. I hope that's not a big problem in the motor's shot. The motor's brand new. It was just rebuilt by Mazda-Techs. Should be good to go. Whether or not that's the case, I don't know. I'm now sitting on the side of an airstrip, not able to move anywhere. I don't even know how I'm gonna load this up. I might have to go get my truck and just drag this thing and then like winch it onto the trailer that I can go work on it. Or it might just magically start working again. That would be handy too. All right, here's what I've learned. Hovercrafts are meant to go on perfectly flat surfaces. This little ditch, you can't even tell this is a ditch, but it got caught up right here and I could not get anywhere. And then I started going forward and then like this little bit of grass, long grass here, can't go through that either. That's a no-go. It's gotta go on this grass. You can't even see, that's almost nothing. So over there where the dirt bike track is, there's no chance that this thing's gonna operate on a dirt bike track. I can't even go up this tiny little hill on the other side of the ditch. Here. Look, see, that's a ditch. It goes like that. It can't go up there. It's here because that's where we dragged it to, because it also got stuck here, which is relatively flat. If I go here, wow, look at the elevation change. I'm underwhelmed. And now it's out of fuel. So, sorry, this thing drinks fuel, man. We gotta fill her up. So that's where this guy is. We'll fill her up and we'll try again. Wow. What I've found is that I lose power, so if I bang this out, it cleans it out, and then I can rev all the way high again. I know you want me. So that is this video. Hovercraft's loaded back on the trailer. We put it on the other way so the weight is further to the front of the trailer so that it's not doing this so much. That helps for when I'm driving around. Got some more stuff to figure out. Air filter gets plugged real fast and then I lose RPM and then it doesn't inflate as well. It doesn't turn good at all. Maybe I just suck at driving a hovercraft or I've never done it before, so that's new and I'm learning. Turbo's obviously bothered by this greatly. He'll get over it. What else do I gotta do? I don't know, just fiddle around with some stuff to see if I can get it to work better. Next up, we are going to try it on the water. My neighbor at my shop, he's got a pond and he's like, bring it on down, let's see if it works any better on water. Because we're thinking maybe the flat surface of the water and it seals the air cushion better stuff, physics, aerodynamics, all sorts of smart brainy stuff. Anyways, I'm super dirty. I'm gonna go shower because I need to go meet my fiance and her parents for supper. And I am an hour and a half late already. So, I'll see you on the next one, guys.
You're dirtier. You're dirtier from that than riding.
Yeah, we're all dirtier from this thing. Well, there we go. I don't know if it works very good. I think it kind of doesn't work the greatest, but I go to Hovercraft. I'll figure out something else to do with it yet. Bye.